Yeah, hello all, welcome back.
Hello.
So far we have covered sales document type controls in the same way item category controls also, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, in this class we are going to cover schedule and category controls.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so as we have already discussed, the sales document is consist of header data.
Item data, headline data.
Yes, if we take this is the sales document,
Hmm.
it consists of header data, item data and schedule line data. So this is what is header data and this is what is item data and this is what is schedule line data. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
here we have covered header data in the same way item data also. So we have covered the sales document controls which controls the header data of the sales document and item
Hmm.
category controls the item data of the sales document, right?
Hmm.
And the third one here is schedule line data. So here
Hmm.
schedule line categories will control the schedule line data of the sales document.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So here, what is the table for header data?
VBAK. VBAP.
VBA
ABAK.
K. And what is the
Hmm.
table for item data?
VBAP.
VBAP.
AP. Hmm.
And what is the table for schedule line data?
VBEP.
Yes, VBEP.
EP.
Right?
Hmm.
So I think you are clear till here, right?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Clear.
So now let
Hmm.
us move to schedule and data. So schedule and data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities, right? So if we open one of our sales orders which we have created earlier, let me open one of the sales orders here. Our sales organization is M100, right?
Hmm.
So let me take one of our sales orders here.
Hmm.
See, I just would like to take this sales order
Hmm.
12061.
Hmm.
So if we go inside the sales document where we can find the header data as well as the item data and schedule line data.
Schedule line data. Hmm.
So I will show you it. See, this is what is the header, right?
Hmm.
So the data which is there in the header is called as header data. So this is all the
Hmm.
header data where you can able to find the sales document type, sales area, all these things. What are the details are here.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
item data is the data which is applicable to the particular line item.
Hmm.
So this is what is the item, right? So if you go inside this one, here you can find the item data, right?
Hmm.
And schedule line data is the data which consists of delivery dates and confirmed quantities.
Hmm.
That's what we can see here. If you click on schedule lines here, then you can able to find on which date the delivery is going to be happen and what is the order quantity and what is the rounded quantity and what is the confirmed quantity here.
Hmm.
That's what will be controlled by the schedule lines data.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So here the source for schedule line data is some part of the configuration data and some part of the control data also. Okay, schedule line data will be controlled by schedule line categories, right? As we have discussed now.
Mm.
Okay, the table for the
Mm.
schedule line data is VBEP.
EP.
Okay, because I am repeating them as those are very important to you to crack the interviews, because in interviews you may face the
Mm.
questions related to them. That's why only
Mm.
I am again and again I am repeating them.
Okay.
Okay, so before we are
Mm.
going through the controls, I just would like to give you some of the schedule line categories we will use for the different document types which we have discussed earlier.
Mm.
If we take the document, sales document inquiry,
Mm.
what is the
Again.
document category?
Again.
IN. Then what
Mm.
will be the item category?
AFN.
AFN. Then here the schedule and category is either AN or AT.
AN or AT.
AN or AT. See, let me
Mm.
go here. AN or AT.
Mm.
Okay. This is for inquiry.
Mm.
And for quotation, it is BN or BT. Okay.
Mm.
And for the standard order, it is CP or CN. Okay.
Mm.
And for
Okay.
rush order, it is CPR CN. And for
Mm.
cash sales, it is CPR CN.
Mm.
And for free of charge, it is CPR CN.
Mm.
And for subsequent delivery free of charge, it is CPR CN.
Mm.
And for scheduling agreement, same CPR CN. And for
Mm.
free goods, same CPR CN.
Mm.
And for
Mm.
make to order, same. And for
Mm.
configurable material, nothing but variant, CPR CN.
Mm.
And for bomb header pricing main item and bomb header
Mm.
pricing sub item, bomb
Mm.
item pricing main item, and
Okay.
bomb item pricing sub item. For all of them, we use the schedule and category as either CPR CN.
Okay.
Okay. For material determination, we use the same CPR CN.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And for returns, it is DN.
Mm.
Okay. For returns, it is DN.
Mm.
And for consignment filler, it is E1.
Mm.
And for consignment issue, it is C1.
Mm.
Okay. And
Okay.
for consignment returns,
Mm.
D0. Consignment returns,
Mm.
it is D0.
Zero.
Okay. For consignment pickup, it is
Mm.
F1.
Sub F1. Okay.
F1.
Mm.
And for third party, it is CS.
Mm.
Okay. For third party, it is CS.
Yes. Okay.
And for IPO, it is CB.
Mm.
For IPO, it is
CB.
CB.
Mm.
And for STO, What is the STO? Stock transfer order, right? For which we use the schedule and category is NN. And for STO returns, it is NR. Okay? And for intercompany STO, it is NC. And intercompany STO returns, it is NS. Okay?
Okay.
And for third party, it is
CS.
CS. Third party returns, it is CS only. Okay? And delivery without order reference, it is CPR CM. And for bomb header pricing sub item, it is CT. Bomb header pricing sub item, it is CT. And for bomb item pricing main item, bomb item pricing main item, CT. I will let you know them because I will create a new bill of material and I will explain you it in the next class. Okay, sir. For bomb item pricing main item, we use the schedule and category as CT.
Okay.
Okay. And for material determination, header pricing main item, it is CX, right? Material determination, header pricing main item, it is CX. And for material determination, header pricing sub item, header pricing sub item, for which we use PP. Okay. And for material determination, item pricing main item, we use the schedule and category as CD. Okay. So here in standard we have 18 schedule and categories. I will let you know some of the item categories does not have the schedule and category. I will let you know them.
Okay.
What is the item category for service item?
Service item TAD.
TAD, right? For which we don't use any schedule and category. And for text item, TATX, right? For which also we don't use any schedule and category. And for value item,
TAW.
yes, for which also we won't use any schedule and category. Okay. And for credit memo request and for debit memo request and for invoice correction request and for QC quantity contract and for value contract general and also value contract material specific, for which for which we don't use any schedule and categories. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. So let me go through the controls. So what is the transaction we use to control the schedule and categories?
Vivo V6.
Yes, that is nothing but Vivo V6. Okay. So this is what is the screen. So if you would like to go through the path, then also you can go through SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, Here you have to go through sales and
SD.
distribution, then sales,
Sales.
then sales
Sales
documents,
Sales document.
then schedule lines here.
Schedule lines. Okay.
Okay. So define
Define.
schedule line categories. This one.
Category.
So you will direct to the same page here.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Okay.
let me take one of the schedule categories. See here, I just would like to take CP. This one. Okay. And I would like to create a new one here by copying it. That is nothing but MP. Okay.
Okay.
So let me click on yes. And let me save it now. So what is our what is this schedule and category now?
MP.
MP. So let me click on this one. Okay, it got saved now.
Okay.
So if you go inside the schedule and category MP here you can able to find many controls, right?
Yeah.
So here what is the first one here? Delivery block.
Delivery.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you see what is that the sales document, each line item may have many what is this if you see the sales document we can find multiple line items, right? And
Yeah.
each line items can have multiple schedule lines also. See,
Okay.
we go inside this one. So if you see, we can find many line items in the sales document. Okay, I think we have made some changes to the item category TIN. Did you get that? What is the change we have made? As it is allowing only one quantity to enter.
We maintain it in the
Order quantity is equal to 1.
Yes. Now I have removed that. So here we can give as much as the quantity which we can. See here, there is a stock. If the stock is not there, then what will happen? Some quantity will be confirmed on 16th and some quantity will get confirmed on 18th and some quantity will get confirmed on 19th. So like that. So as we have many items, many line items here, we can have many schedule lines here. Okay, so here if the quantity is 10, some quantity of the 10 which may be either 4 or 5 will get confirmed on one day and the remaining quantity will get confirmed on next day, which will be based on the availability of the stock. Okay.
Okay.
So if you would like to put block to one of the schedule lines, okay, then where is the control for which? It is there in the schedule line category controls. And you can also manually assign the block here. See like this. You can manually assign the blocks here. Okay, but for now, I just would like to save it. See, actually, we have seen the delivery block there in the sales document type controls also, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
What is the transaction? VO V8. So here, have we seen that here?
Yeah.
So we
Delivery.
have seen the delivery block in sales document type controls also. Then why do we have the same field there in the schedule and what is this? Schedule and category controls. So if we maintain delivery block in the document type controls, it will block the total document for the delivery. So if you have the block in the sales order, in the header, means if the block was assigned here,
Mm.
then the entire document will be blocked for delivery.
Okay.
And if we maintain it in the schedule and category controls, then it will block only the particular schedule line for the delivery.
Mhm.
If you have multiple schedule lines, okay, and if you have assigned a block to one of the schedule lines, then the particular schedule line will be blocked for delivery.
Okay.
So I think you are clear with it.
Okay.
Okay, then let me move to the next one here. Here the next field is movement type, right?
Mm.
So here every physical movement of the goods requires some movement type.
Okay.
What exactly it means is, if you are doing delivery, means here you are moving the ownership of the materials, or if you are moving the materials from one place to another, either it may be from our storage location to the customer end, or it may be from one storage location to another storage location, or from one plant to another plant, or whatever it may be. So if we are physically moving the goods, for which
Mm.
we use the movement types in SAP. Okay.
Yeah, we can see this field in, I think, sales organization, like sales organization to sales we are assigning, right? We are assigning or we are creating something, some sales organization, right? We see this field in sales organization while creating the sales organization.
No, no, no. While you are creating the sales organization, you won't see the field movement type.
You see in
Like
M-
somewhere else in, I think in the field, some plants.
MMBC,
No, no, no.
MMBC,
I will tell you where can you
stock
see
posting.
this. While you are doing the stock posting,
Stock posting.
okay, see here you can find the movement type. So we are giving 561, right? While we are posting the stock, okay.
Okay, okay.
So here 561 is entry of the stock balances into unrestricted use.
Mm-hmm.
So when you are posting the stock in the movement type when you are posting the stock by using the movement type 561, then the stock will be added to the unrestricted use, right? So like this, there are many movement type. If the stock has to be added to the quality inspection, then you have to use this movement type. And if the
Okay.
stock has to move to sales order stock, then you have to use this movement type. So like this, there are many movement types here. So
Mm.
what is the main purpose of movement type? We use the movement type while we are physically moving the goods from one place to another place. Okay.
Okay.
So let me tell you when the system will consider the movement type. As for you have as of now you have done many sales orders, deliveries and invoices, right?
Hmm.
So I think you will be aware of the movement type as when the movement type will get considered.
PGI.
Yes, the system consider the movement type when you are doing the PGI. Movement type controls mainly two things, right? What are them? The updation of stock. In the same way, generation of inventory accounting document.
Okay.
Okay. So I will give you some of the schedule and categories. And sorry, I have given you the schedule and categories, right? So now I will give you some of the movement types. Okay,
Okay.
and I will let you know
Okay.
what exactly the use of those movement types. So
Hmm.
here, let me take the standard movement type. Okay, for we will use it for the schedule and category CP. And what is the movement type? 601.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the effect of the movement type 601? The effect of the movement type 601 is the stock will be reduced from unrestricted stock.
Unrestricted.
Okay, so when you are doing the PJ, what's happening? The stock is getting reduced from the unrestricted use, right? In the same way, inventory accounting document also is getting generated. Okay, so that's what is being controlled by the movement type here. What is the movement type? The standard movement type we use for the schedule and category CP, which is nothing but 601. Okay, so now let me tell you what exactly the entry, accounting entry, when you are using the movement type 601. Cost of goods sold, account debit to,
Inventory account credited.
yes, inventory account credit. Okay,
Okay.
so this is about the movement type 601. And let me tell you the movement type 602. When you are doing the reverse PGA, what is that?
Reverse.
Reverse PGA. If you are doing the PGI, post goods issue, here 601 will get determined, and what it will do? The stock from the unrestricted use will get reduced. In the same way, inventory accounting document also will get generated. And now we are going through 602 movement type. And if you are cancelling or if you are reversing the post goods issue document, then what will be the movement type we use there, which is nothing but 602. So now let me tell you what exactly the effect with the movement type 602 here. Stock will be added to the, where the stock will get added. It will get added to the unrestricted use only, right?
Okay.
Okay. In the 601, which will reduce it from the unrestricted use. But here in the 602, the stock will get added to the unrestricted use. In the same way, inventory accounting document also will get generated. Okay, and what will be the accounting entry here? Yeah, tell me. Inventory account debit to cost of goods sold account
Credit.
credit, right? So this is about the movement type 602. And let me tell you what exactly the transaction we use to reverse the PGA. What is that? VL09. This is the transaction we use to reverse the post goods issue document. Okay?
Okay.
So if you would like to reverse some PGA document, I will let you know this. So let me create one sales order. But before that, I just would like to show you the stock.
Okay.
Okay. So what is our material? Vaccine 150. Okay. For which we would like to do the delivery and PGA. See, what is the stock available here? 63, right? And which is there in the unrestricted use. So now let me create one sales order. And I am doing it for the quantity of 3. Okay. So let me check the incompletion log once. Actually, we have to maintain them in material master. We have to maintain the gross weight as well as net weight in material master. See now, let me create a delivery. So let me create delivery here. And here the picking quantity is 3. And let me click on post goods issue. So what will happen if you click on post goods issue? The stock will get reduced from unrestricted use, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the same way inventory accounting document also will get generated. So let me show you the available stock there in MMB. So what was the previous stock available?
63.
63, but now it is 60 only because
60.
the quantity of 3 got deducted or reduced from the unrestricted use when you have done the post goods issue. So now let me do the reverse PGI. So what will happen if you do the reverse PGI? The stock again will get added to
Unrestricted stock.
yes, unrestricted use. And what about the inventory accounting document? Which gets generated, right?
Yeah.
And what will be the
Cost
accounting
of
entry
goods
there?
sold. Cost of goods sold credit to inventory account debit.
Debit.
Yeah, it is cancelled. Why it is cancelled? Let me check on. See, here what's the unrestricted use now?
63.
63, right? Because the previous delivery document got cancelled.
Mm.
Okay. So
Okay.
what's happening here while you are doing the reverse PGI?
Stock is getting back to.
Yeah, because it is showing that it has already done. Just now it has done, and we have reprocessed that. So if you go through the delivery document and if you go through the document flow here you can able to find the reverse document also. See, this is the previous post goods issue document, and this is
Mm.
the reverse to the
Mm.
goods issue document, right?
Okay.
So you can find everything in the document flow.
Mm.
So I think you are clear with these two movement types, 601
Yeah.
in the same way 602.
2. Mm.
And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now.
Okay.
And the remaining movement types will be covered in next class.
Mm.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.